If you want to fix your YouTube not working, or if you're facing that issue, the following content is not available on this app. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the YouTube, okay? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just make sure that your YouTube app doesn't need to be updated, or it's updated to the latest version, so you can get access to all the new features. One of the reasons why you're seeing that notification, probably because of the notification. So basically go ahead to the settings and then just scroll a little bit down until you find YouTube. I'm gonna just type right here YouTube, and make sure that you give notifications to, or give access to YouTube to have your notifications so you can see the new features, and make sure that you give access to microphone, camera access, so you can post and receive new activities from YouTube. Another way of fixing that problem, if you're still having it, just clear the cache. So I'm gonna go ahead to the general, iPhone storage, click YouTube, and I'm gonna upload the app, and I'm gonna free some of the unnecessary data or files within the app without deleting the important information like your login information. I'm gonna upload the app, okay, and I'm gonna just wait for a few moments, okay, and I'm gonna be able to see, instead of the upload button, I'm gonna see reinstall. Click reinstall, and basically you're gonna be able to keep your data and force YouTube to update to a latest version, and that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.